As a healthcare payer, you work every day to improve member satisfaction. But when core administrative processes run on outdated legacy systems, each task is complex and time-consuming. Manual entry can lead to unreliable member information, which can cause inaccurate health plan enrollments and unnecessary billing corrections. Inflexible systems don't adapt fast enough to keep up with fluctuating memberships and complex billing changes. Ultimately, your members could end up with a subpar experience. Introducing Oracle's core administration solution for healthcare payers, an integrated software as a service that helps streamline enrollment and billing and continuously adapts to evolving market requirements. Using Oracle's core administration solution, you'll be able to automate multi-channel enrollments and quickly create individual or group enrollments, issue ID cards faster, and onboard members more seamlessly. Dashboards give you full visibility of each member, allowing you to capture detailed attributes for a member's complete golden record. Configurable business rules help you update member records more easily and create and roll out new member policy. The solution also includes a flexible pricing and billing engine that manages complex rating calculations and automates accounts receivable processes, removing manual work. With 360-degree views of your members, you will have real-time visibility into all financial transactions and billing information. Revenue insights through built-in dashboards ensure that anyone in your business will have accurate, timely answers to member inquiries and enable data-driven business decisions. In a world where healthcare can be complex and confusing, Oracle's core administration solution for healthcare payers simplifies the entire process. One solution across multiple lines of business facilitates quicker enrollments, accurate billing, and better member experiences.
Hey, did you like what you learned? Make sure to check out this video or this link, and of course, subscribe now.